Hey, I'm Christian and welcome to yet another live mix here at Premier Piano. Today we're doing Astronaut by the Ocean, and here is what it's going to sound like very soon. And back in. Awesome. Once again, before I begin, guys, please, you gotta subscribe, support the channel, support what I'm doing, and leave me a comment, share it, like it, but definitely leave me the comment. Tell me what you want to learn next. This was a request by a subscriber, so here it is, we're doing it, okay? And it is brought to you by Premier Piano. This tutorial, plus the cheat sheet on how to do it, and the video lesson for free will all be up on my website right now. So check the bio, download the cheat sheet, the screenshot, so you can follow along, okay? All right, so let's get started. First part in, the riff, this part.
What you know about rolling down in the deep when you...
Okay, so to get that started, please head over to chromelab.com experiment. It's a songmaker music lab. We're going to start a brand new project. I'm going to show you the settings right here, okay? Settings, boom, bottom right hand corner. You're going to go 5 bars for the sake of this quick tutorial. We're going to split it into 4, so semiquavers. We're going to go chromatic, middle C, let's go low C, and 3 octaves, okay? Punch that in, boom, okay? All right, now from here, we're gonna slow this right down to 85 is the BPM. Okay, not 8,052, wouldn't that be interesting to hear? 85, boom, there it is, okay. And change this to piano. You can do synth, but piano sounds better, and put this on electronic where it was. Now we're ready to go. Okay, so first things first, let's check in the first part here in the middle. Ba-da-da. Okay. Okay. What you know about rolling? Did you guys know I've got a piano tutorial for this? Yeah, full piano tutorial. Much more in depth than this live mix we're doing here. Check it out. It's at premierpiano.shop. It's on my website. Also with another free download. All I do is for you guys. Free. It's because I love what I do. So you do what you love. Okay. Ba-da-da-da-da-ba. Listen to the first part. It's a little bit fast. Where'd that 85 come from? Slow it down to 75. Let's try that. Yeah. Good. Got a mental freeze when I... Okay, so that's the first part of the melody. Then you kind of do copy and paste it across, but you put slight variations. For example, you've got these 4 semiquavers right there, and then you've got the bum bum bum, and then it moves over to dum dum. With that on slow motion, I feel like all the same, like an astronaut in the ocean, Good. And then that just repeats, and then it goes into the verse. Yada. She thinks I'm cool. We're not going to get into that in this tutorial. We'll be here forever, guys, especially if you're a beginner. Take it slow, take it easy. And if you want an extension or a part 2, please request it in the comments. We'll see how we go. Okay. All right. So now we move over to the beat. We've got our basic melody. Hear it once. Okay. In the ocean. Kick it. Da-dum. Yeah, that was a little bit slow. Ba-bum-ba-dum. Fixed. Cool. Now the beat. Okay. Now it does have a trap beat. So
Brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze when these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion, yeah.
He said poop. Okay, so to get that trap beat, you need semiquavers, which we do have, but you need a third, the snare. So you need kick, you need snare, but you need you need kick, you need hi-hats, but you need the snare, and we don't have that on Google Chrome yet. Put the request in through them, they might hear you. But we can try and replicate some of that, okay? If we just go da 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 da, da the whole way across, it can work, but it'll start to get boring after a while, which is why I've done variations on mine. But listen to it. Okay, but once again, it starts sounding like kind of like Toe Surgery, like Eminem-ish slash Lee Drake. It doesn't sound that good, so I like to add variations. Here's what I've done with my beat. Check it out. Okay, so I've moved this across, but the first pattern you should notice is the kick drums with the notes in sync. So start with that. Okay, now we're gonna go okay, boom, 3 4 boom, 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 boom. Move that over one beat each. Beg your pardon. Now just listen to the difference that that's gonna make. Just we're going boom, 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 boom. Listen to this. Okay, add the snare for a bit of variety and you're good to start it off. Now before we get more complicated with that, let's add in the bass, the bum bum bum, which is the beginning of the whole thing. Everyone's heard that one, right? There it is.
Astronaut.
That awesome kind of like 50s electric guitar. So that one comes in here. Boom. And it just does it again. Boom, boom, boom. Then it goes up. Copy paste. Copy paste. Bum. 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 If I can get the timing right today, and just leave it on the dum at the bottom. Okay, let's see how that rolls. Boom. Listen to it. Check it out. There we go. Okay, now that's the basic skeleton or structure of the whole thing. Now let's fill it up. Start by putting some snares in here. Every other beat that we don't have any of these guys. So fill it up here, fill it up here. Just fill it up everywhere where there is no. Okay, that's kind of like the second last step, and it does sound pretty cool. Check it out. Okay, and it adds a bit of variety. Then just have some fun with the intermediate parts. We're just filling the gap. So like for example, so boom at the end, it might be like tum, could be good. Let's add one in there. That could work there. On the offbeat, not too syncopated. Boom, boom. Put that in there and leave that out. Okay, and then throw in there. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Okay, that about does it. Experiment with it, have some fun. You can copy exactly what I've done. It's on the cheat sheet, but if not, have some fun, listen to it, learn something in the process. And here's the final mix, guys. Enjoy it. Dum, dum. Just for fun, why don't we throw that in? And save. You save it, you get the link, boom, share it with social media, tag me, by the way. So please add me in I'm Contreras Music, okay? And save the link. You can even download the MIDI or download the WAV, put it in, you've got the embed code, and you're done. So thank you very much for watching. Once more, guys, Premiere Piano, the freemium section, has it all. And if you're ready to take it up to the next level, meaning if you like my content and you want a bit extra, or you want me on your team, I do online coaching as well. There it is, guys. My site, everything that I do, it's all there. Okay. If my free content is half decent, imagine what my premium content is like, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next live mix.